Welcome students. Today we have an exciting opportunity to dive into the world of Python programming. In this demo, I will give you a glimpse of what you can achieve with Python and how our comprehensive course can empower you to become a proficient coder. At our institute, we offer a Python course that not only provides in-depth knowledge but also offers lifetime access, enabling you to revisit the content anytime at your convenience. And the best part is, we provide this course at affordable fees, so making it accessible to everyone who wants to learn Python. Now, I will start with a brief introduction to Python. So in this brief introduction, I will explain what is Python and why is it so popular, and key features and benefits of Python, and real world applications of Python. Now I will explain what is Python and why is it so popular. So Python is a high level interpreted programming language that emphasizes readability and simplicity. It was created by Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum is the author of Python and first released in 1991. Python gained popularity for several reasons. It is easy to learn and read. So Python has a clean and straightforward syntax, making it easy for beginners to understand and write code. Its readability promotes good coding practices and reduces the time required for development and maintenance. And next one is versatility. So Python can be used for a wide range of applications from web development and data analysis to machine learning and artificial intelligence. It provides extensive libraries and frameworks that simplify complex tasks and accelerate development. Now, key features and benefits of Python. Python offers numerous features and benefits that contribute to its popularity. First, it is a readability. So Python syntax is designed to be easily readable. Python syntax designed to be easily readable with a focus on code clarity and simplicity. This readability allows developers to write clean and maintainable code, enhancing collaboration and reducing debugging time. So second, portability. So Python programs can run on various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even on mobile devices also. This cross-platform compatibility makes Python a versatile language for developing applications that can reach a wide audience. So next, standard library. So Python provides a rich set of libraries and modules as part of its standard library. These libraries offer ready to use functions, ready to use functions and tools for tasks like file handling, networking, database access, and more, reducing the need for developers to write code from scratch. And it is an integration capabilities. Integration capabilities. So means Python can easily integrate with other programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. This feature enables developers to leverage existing code bases and utilize Python for specific tasks while benefiting from the strengths of other languages. The next feature is real-world applications of Python. So Python finds applications in various domains due to its versatility and ease of use. Some Some applications are first web development. So Python frameworks like Django and Flask are widely used for building robust and scalable web applications. Python's simplicity and extensive libraries make web development efficient. We have another data analysis, data analysis and visualization. Visualization. So Python, along with libraries such as NumPy and Pandas, it is extensively used in data analysis, manipulation, and visualization. Tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn enable the creation of graphs and charts. Now that we have a good understanding of Python, let's move on to setting up our development environment. In this section, we will cover the basics of Python installation and introduction to Jupyter Notebook and one example. Python is available for different operating systems including Windows, Mac OS and Linux. To install Python, we need to follow some steps. That visit the official Python website at www.python.org, go to the download section and select the appropriate installer for your operating system. So after clicking download section, click this download option so that you can download Python, the latest version for your Windows. And after the installation is completed, open the command prompt and type like this python space minus minus version. If you type like this, you will get the version of Python. If it has been run successfully, then the Python has been installed in your system properly. Now introduction to the Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualization, and narrative text. It supports over 40 programming languages including Python. Jupyter Notebook provides an interactive and flexible environment for data analysis, prototyping, and exploring ideas. Jupyter Notebook allows us to write a code in an easy manner, so that we can write a code with a simple English language, so it will generate output which we want. So if I write like this, print hello world, if I run this code, it will give an output hello world. It is a simple and easy language for coding. In the classes, I have thoroughly explained not only what a Jupyter Notebook is, but also how to download and install one, as well as how to use it for Python programming. In this section, I will explain variable data types and type conversion, operators and expressions, control flow statements, and guided example illustrating each concept. Now I will explain variables, data types, and type conversion. So variables are containers used to store data in memory. They have a name and can hold different types of values. In Python, you can assign a value to a variable using the assignment operator equal to. For example, x equal to 5 assigns the value 5 to the variable 5 to the variable x. So name equal to John. So here John is a string assigned to the variable name. So these are the example of variables. Now data types. Python supports various data types including numeric types, sequence types, and boolean types, and more. In numeric types, we have int, float, complex numbers, and in sequence type, string, list, tuple, and in boolean type, bool type. So here in numeric data types, int represents whole numbers, positive or negative, without decimal points. Float represents floating point numbers with decimal points. Suppose age equal to 25. Here assigns the integer 25 to the variable age. Pi equal to 3.14. Here 3.14 assigns the this float value assigns to the variable pi. In string data types, string str represents a sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. Name equal to alias assigns the string alias to the variable name. Message equal to hello assigns the string hello to the variable message. Now Boolean types. Here bool represents the truth values, true or false. For example, is raining equal to false. So here assigns the false value to the boolean of is raining variable. Next, type conversion. So Python allows you to convert variables from one type to another type another type using type conversion functions. Some common type conversion functions include int, float, string. So int converts a value to an integer, float converts a value to a float, converts a value to a string. Suppose x equal to 10, assigns the integer 10 to the variable x. Suppose x equal to str of x, converts the integer x to a string and assigns it to the variable x, like this. Second one, operators and expressions. In this segment, we will explore different types of operators and how to use them in expressions to perform computations and manipulate data. Arithmetic operators. First one, arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations on numeric values. So there are common arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, and exponential. Here addition adds two values, subtracts one value from another value. Multiplication means multiplies two values. This one divides one value by another and it returns the remainder after division. And exponential means raises a value to the power of another. Next, comparison operator. So comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a boolean value, true or false. Some common comparison operators include equality, inequality, greater than, less than, and greater than equal to, less than equal to. Now logical operators. Logical operators are used to perform logical operations on boolean value. Common logical operators include and, or, not. So here it returns true if both conditions are true. This or returns true if at least one condition is true. Not means negates the boolean value, true becomes false and vice versa. Next, expressions. Next, expressions. Expressions are combination of values, variables, and operators that produce a result. They can involve arithmetic comparison and logical operations. Examples of expressions are x plus y. It adds the values of x and y. Age greater than equal to 18. Checks if the value of age is greater than or equal to 18 or not. Now control flow statements. So here if-else statement means the if-else statement allows you to execute different blocks of code based on a condition. If the condition is true, the code inside the if block is executed. Otherwise, the code inside the else block is executed. Loops. Python provides two types of loops, while for loop and while loop. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence like a list or a string or any iterable object. Here while loop executes a block of code repeatedly as long as a condition is true. Now I will explain with examples illustrating each concept. So in this example, we declare a variable name called John and assign it to a string value John. We then use print function to display the value of the name variable, and next we create another variable named age and assign it to the integer value 25. And here to convert the age variable from an integer to a string, we use the str function and assigns the result to a new variable age str. Finally, we print the converted age str variable which displays the age as a string. In this example, we calculate the area of rectangle using the variables length and width. We multiply the values of these variables and store the result in the area variable. Then we print the value of area. We compare the values of num1 and num2 using the equality operator and print whether they are equal or not. Finally, we check if the number variable is divisible by 2 by using modulo operator to get the modulo operator to get the remainder when divided by 2 equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, the number is divisible by 2 and we print the appropriate message. If I run, we'll get output. Here we use an if-else statement to check if the number variable is positive or negative or 0 and we print the corresponding message. And the second example here is demands while loop that starts with the count variable set to equal to 1. The loop continues until count becomes greater than 5 inside the loop. We print the value of count and increment it by 1. Lastly, we use a for loop to iterate over the fruits list. In each iteration, the fruit variable takes on the value of the current element in the list and we print it. The loop iterates over all the elements in the fruits list, printing each one. If I run, here we give number equal to -5 so that it gives output as number is negative. And here we are using a while loop to print numbers from 1 to 5 so that it has given 5 output 1 2 3 4 5 as an output. And here we have used a for loop to iterate over a list and print each element. So here each elements are apple, banana and orange. So here we have got apple, banana, orange. So now in this section I will provide an overview of Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. We will also explore the benefits of using libraries for specialized tasks and demonstrate how to utilize a library for data manipulation or visualization. So now Python libraries. Python libraries are pre-written modules of code that provide additional functionality to Python programs. Libraries contains collections of functions, classes, and methods that can be imported and used in our code. Libraries are developed to solve specific problems or perform specialized tasks. First one is NumPy. So numerical Python. It is a powerful library for scientific computing in Python. It provides support for large multidimensional arrays and matrices along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays efficiently. NumPy is widely used in areas such as data analysis, machine learning and scientific research. Next, Pandas. So Pandas is a popular library for data manipulation and analysis in Python. It provides data structures and functions to efficiently work with structured data, such as tabular data, tabular data, and time series. Pandas is widely used for tasks like data cleaning, data exploration, data aggregation, and data visualization. And next, matplotlib. So matplotlib is a plotting library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. It provides a wide range of plotting functions and customization options to create various types of charts, graphs, and plots. Matplotlib is commonly used for data visualization and data exploration and presentations of results. Now, benefits of using libraries. Libraries save development time by providing pre-built functions and modules that solve common problems. They promote code reuse and modularity, allowing us to build upon existing code and focus on specific tasks. Libraries often provide optimized algorithms and data structures, leading to efficient and faster code execution. Libraries have active communities offering support, updates, and new features. Now, demonstration of how to utilize a library for data manipulation or visualization. So first we will import pandas library. Import pandas as PD. Load a dataset. Data equal to PD dot read CSV of data dot CSV file. So here we are loading our data.csv file by using read underscore CSV function and storing into data variable. And after that, we are performing data manipulation operations like filtering, sorting, grouping, etc. So analyze and extract insights from the data. So we can check our data with data.head function. So from this, it will give output as top 5 rows in a data, and we can check data dot describe function or shape, etc. We have so many functions. With that function we can analyze our data by using describe function, shape function, etc. Now demonstration of data visualization with matplotlib. First we will import matplotlib library. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Customize the plot by using plt dot plot of x values and y values. Here we are creating simple line plot. So after this we are adding labels. We can add labels, titles, etc. And finally we can display the plot by writing plt.show function. So in this section we will highlight the practicality of Python by demonstrating a mini project that showcase how Python can be used to solve real-world problems, and we will also showcase the versatility of Python across different domains. Now, now we will start with mini project weather data analysis. So here we should analyze the data to extract insights and visualize trends. So first, we are importing the necessary libraries include pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib for data visualization, and we load the weather data set from the CSV file using read underscore CSV function from pandas, and we can perform any necessary data cleaning and pre-processing steps based on the specific data set. Here for this data set we don't need to perform data cleaning and pre-processing. If required we can do, and after that we analyze the data by calculating the average temperature using the mean function and the maximum wind speed using the max function. So we are calculating the average temperature with the mean function and maximum wind speed with the maximum function of wind speed column. Then after we visualize the temperature trend by plotting the day column on the x-axis and the and temperature column on the y-axis using plt dot plot function. Finally, we customize the plot with labels and show title, and we can show the we can display our plot by using plt.show function. So from this we got an output like this. So here we can see the graph of temperature trend by using the day column and temperature column. So finally we visualized the data. So this is a mini project. Next, practicality of Python. So Python is widely used in data analysis and scientific computing. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries enables efficient data processing and analysis. Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal language for working with real-world data sets. And here, next one is real-world problem solving. Real-world problem solving. Python can be used to solve diverse real-world problems. It is employed in areas such as finance, healthcare, marketing, automation, etc. So Python's flexibility and extensive library support make it adaptable to various domains, showcasing the versatility of Python across different domains. In finance, Python is used for financial modeling, algorithmic trading, risk analysis, and portfolio management. In healthcare, Python helps analyze medical data, build predictive models, and automate process. And in marketing, Python enables data-driven marketing campaigns, customer segmentations, and sentiment analysis. In automation, Python automates repetitive tasks, interacts with APIs, and controls hardware devices. So in this section, we will emphasize the importance of a structured course to deepen the Python skills. We will outline the course curriculum, highlight the lifetime access feature, and mention the affordable fees. We'll outline the course curriculum and highlight the lifetime access feature and mentioning the affordable fees to make quality education accessible to all. So Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, but it's essential to have a structured learning path to fully grasp its concepts and applications. A structured course provides a well-organized curriculum, progressive learning, and hands-on exercises to reinforce your understanding. So our Python course covers a comprehensive range of topics to help you become proficient in Python programming. Here topics covered in this Python programming language, we have covered all the topics from basics to advanced level topics, and in each and every topic we explained code also, and we gave projects related to that topic so that you can easily understand and you can easily develop your coding skills. If you learn this Python programming course, you will gain more knowledge, you will become more proficient in coding. And here we explained object oriented programming classes also, and we explained with Python coding and one project. And here we discussed libraries from basics to advanced, and we explained in an easily understandable manner, so that you cannot suffer with the language what I'm speaking. So, and in this Python statistics, we have explained Python statistics also, and here we explained each and every Python statistics topic in an easy manner so that you can grasp this knowledge. And we explained Python code also by using statistics techniques, and we explained missing value statement and one web scraping project. So that in this Python, the complete Python programming course, you will get all the topics related to Python, and we didn't miss any topic, and you can cover all the topics. You will get more knowledge by learning these classes. So we understand that learning is a continuous journey, and you may need to revisit course content to reinforce your knowledge. So our course offers full lifetime access, allowing you to access the course materials, videos, and resources anytime, even after completing the course. You can revisit topics, refresh your understanding, and stay up to date with new developments in Python. And we believe that quality education should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial constraints. So our course is designed to affordable with reasonable fees that make it accessible to a wide range of learners. So we want to ensure that cost is not a barrier for you to enhance your Python skills and pursue your learning goals. So finally, we are offering the complete Python programming course containing 1 or 2 lessons with 16 hours, around 17 hours time, with full lifetime access and reasonable price, so that you can listen these classes in your life anytime, anywhere, 24 by 7. So you can access this course through on mobile and TV also. So now you have an idea of what Python program can offer and how our course can guide you towards become a proficient Python developer. Whether you are a beginner or already have some programming experience, our course caters to all levels of learners. So if you are excited to explore Python further, expand your coding abilities, and gain lifetime access to our course content, enroll with us today and embark on an incredible journey of coding mastery. Remember, Python is a powerful and versatile language that opens up numerous opportunities in the tech industry. Start your learning journey with us and unlock the world of possibilities that Python offers. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in our Python course. Visit our website https://nextonit.in so that you can gain get to know what our course is offering to the students. Thank you.